Unity is the foundation of peace and progress. Do you know someone who embodies the spirit of the I Am Unity Award? A person or organization that tirelessly works to bridge divides and create harmonious communities? Nominate them for the I Am Unity Award and help us celebrate those who transform lives through inclusivity. Together, we can amplify these efforts and inspire a new generation of peace builders and advocates who will shape a brighter future for our community. Nominate a hero at HigherSelfAwards.org.
Tehu Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.